Okay, let's move to the question number 3. Find the exact value of the term independent of x in the expansion of 2 plus 3 over x square whole power 10 times 1 minus 4x square whole square. To solve this problem, we need to know two formulas, that a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And we know that a plus b whole power n is equals to a to the power of n plus n combination 1, a to the power of n minus 1 times b plus n combination 2, a to the power of n minus 2 times b to the power of 2 plus it move up to we get b to the power of n. So we can interchange them and write it 1 minus 4x square whole power 2 times 2 plus 3 over x square whole power 10. Okay, we can apply a minus b whole square formula in first expansion. So we will have 1 minus 2 times 4 is 8x square plus 4x square whole square is 16x to the power of 4 time. In second expansion, we will apply a plus b whole power n formula, and in this case, this one is a and this one is b. 10 is n. A to the power of n is equals to 2 to the power of 10 plus 10 combination 1 time a to the power of a means 2, so 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 time b which is 3 over x square plus 10 combination 2 to the power of 10 minus 2 time 3 over x square whole square plus 10 combination 3 time 2 to the power of 10 minus 3 time 3 over x square whole cube, and it move up to the 3 over x square whole power 10 and then bracket close. So we will have 1 minus 8x square plus 16x to the power of 4 time, and this one 2 to the power of 10 is equals to 1024 plus 10 combination 1 is 10 and 2 to the power of 9 is 512 times 3 over x square plus 10 combination 2 is equals to 10 times 9 over 2, and 2 to the power of 8 is 256 times 3 square is 9 over x square whole square is x to the power of 4 plus 10 times 9 times 8 over 3 times 2, and 2 to the power of 7 is 128, and this one is 27 over x to the power of 6 plus dot dot dot, and then 3 to the power of 10 over x to the power of 20. Okay, further solving, we will have 1 minus 8x square plus 16x to the power of 4 times 1024. 512 times 3 times 10 is equals to 15,360 over x square. This one is equals to the 103680 over x to the power of 4. The next term will have the 1 over x to the power of 6. So we don't need to find the other terms, because when we multiply 16x to the power of 4 with this term, we will have the constant term. As we need the terms which are independent of x, so when we multiply 16x to the power of 4 with this term, we will have x square in denominator. So we don't need to solve further, because remaining all term will have the x greater than 6 in the denominator. So we need to find the terms which are independent of x. So first we multiply this constant with this constant, we will have the constant sum which is 1 times 1024. Similarly, when we multiply negative 8x square times 15,360 over x square, so negative 8x square times 15,360 over x square, so we will have term independent of x, because x square will be cancelled out. Similarly, when we multiply 16x to the power of 4 with 103680 over x to the power of 4, So we will have in term independent of x, so we can say that plus 16x to the power of 4 times 103680 over x to the power of 4. So you can see that x square will be cancelled out and this one x is cancelled out. So we will have 1024 negative 8 times 15360 is equals to negative 122880 plus 16 times 103680 is equals to the 165880. So we will, when we solve this one, we will have 1537024, and this is the term which is independent of x.